यहाँ पे जो एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का आयोजन किया गया है, जिसमें अभी हमारे बीच जो है जाने माने थिंकर और भी जो है बहुत कुछ हैं जो बोलने के लिए हमारे पास शब्द नहीं है। ऐसे शख्स हमारे बीच सीधा कर्नाटका से कोलकाता की धरती पर पहुंचे हुए हैं। आज इनको इंटरनेशनल मीडिया गिल्ड के द्वारा सम्मानित किया गया। आइए हम लोग जानते हैं कि कौन सा जो है अवार्ड इनको प्रोवाइड किया गया। सबसे पहले स्वागत है सर हमारे चैनल में। Which type of award you have provided? You have
See,
given.
in the name of the people who sacrificed and role model to us, Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das and Netaji Suvarnabhumi, they established even beautiful and wonderful source of effulgence of this soil. So, in the name of them, Deshbandhu Netaji International Award.
Very good. Deshbandhu Netaji International Award given by IMG, यानी International Media Guild. How do you feel on this great occasion, sir?
I'm really very happy and I'm very fruitful. धन्य हो सकते हैं क्या ना?
What do you want to say, Mr. Asif Basak?
Such a great personality, Hindi name.
Yeah.
There, I'm going to receive it. In the simultaneously, I'm very much because basically Chittaranjan Das ji and Netaji Subhash both of them journalists.
Yeah.
Not to be noted.
From Kolkata.
And I'm from Kolkata, journalist.
Yes, yes.
Both of them running a magazine also.
Yes, yes.
And so even I am running a magazine also. And especially Chittaranjan ji, eminent advocate. He's a great freedom. They sacrificed for our nation. But what we are doing?
Tomorrow is Swami Vivekananda birthday. What do you want to say?
Swami Vivekananda inspired. Both of them are inspired by Swami Vivekananda ji.
Yes.
Even Chittaranjan Das ji and Netaji Subhash inspired by Vivekananda.
Yes.
So what I'm saying, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Mata Sharda Devi, Swami Vivekananda, Arvind Ghosh, they are very spiritually, very beautiful, wonderful, they are divine sources. Sachatayan, Divya Jyoti. So on this occasion of tomorrow we are going to say, but what my humble request to, we have to know the real value of freedom.
Yes.
The how many people त्याग से बलिदान से मेरे को स्वातंत्र मिल गया. So many people sacrificed, they struggled. But our today politicians, they never really know the value of freedom movement.
Yes.
Because today politics, what I am seeing, worst in, I'm not belongs to any party. I'm not leftist, I'm not rightist, I'm lifeist. मैं एड़पंथी नहीं, बलपंथी, मैं जीवनपंथी है. कोई को पूर्ण में अभी क्या ना सभी है, we never taken सभी everything convert into business. पहले राजकारण सर्विस होता था, politics is service. Today turned into business.
Yes, yes.
Every politician is a businessman.
Business turned into business.
पहले health is service,
But
now
health is
turned into business.
Yes.
पहले education service, now turned into business. Now spirituality turned into business. Yoga also turned into business. This is a tragedy. This is the movement. We have to recall what the beautiful and wonderful the spiritual personality, the freedom movement there. We have to recall them. We have to respect them, and then only we have to give respect.
We should think about this.
Yes, sir.
All our business.
All around. First, we have to service should be always service.
Yes, yes, yes.
सर्विस शुड बी ऑलवेज. अभी पंचभूत पूरा सेल हो गया, अग्नि सोल हो गया, वायु सोल हो गया, जल सोल हो गया, आकाश भी सोल हो गया, हाँ पूरा सेल पूरा सोल हो गया. वो दिन में वो चित्तरंजन.
Say something about Ganga Mata and in Karnataka.
See, for me, Ganga Mata and Kauri Mata same.
Yes.
But externally दूर से है, but internally they connected.
Yes.
तो भूमि अंदर में हो सकते हैं ना, they internally they connected. Like that Bhasha also, Kannada Bhasha, Bangla also, sister concerns.
Yes.
I'm very much inspired by that. But 25 years ago, I see our bluish Ganga is such a shining. Today I am unfortunately saying it's garbage Ganga. We converted it. We have to take care of our river. We take care of our sea.
Yes.
We take care of our nature. So, in this aspect, what the politicians make in the nature aspect, see, this earth is fulfill everybody's needs, yes. Not greedy things. But we have to think about, we have to respect our nature and care about concerns also. Like that, time se मैं actually पानी में मछली रो रही थी, कौन देखती है? नीरोलगिना मीनिना कन्नीरा कंडरारो. We have seen the tears of underwater fish.
Yes.
So भगवान बुद्ध दे सकती है, विवेकानंद दे सकती है, अरविंद घोष को मलक है, रमण महर्षि, माता महादेवी, सीता देवी और शारदा देवी, विवेकानंद जी, चित्तरंजन दास जी,
Yes.
नेताजी सुभाष, सबको मालूम है, मानव को मालूम है वो सब। I humble, we have to see the tears.
Then today on this great occasion, what do you want to say, Mr. Asif Basak, who is the
So not only if it, my appeal, I always respect all Kolkata and West Bengal media people. I'm also.
how do you
basically-
feel after coming in Kolkata from Karnataka?
They are taking lot of love, care, concern. It's attached me. I feel the sometimes motherly wood, sisterly wood. I got everything. I'm very, very thankful to all West Bengal peoples and even Odia peoples also.
Oh.
See, my policies, they are one nation, one family, one word.
Yeah, thank
They're all one thing.
वेरी गुड, थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग योर काइंड कॉपरेशन। आप देखें राइटर है और भी बहुत कुछ है जो बोलने के लिए हमारे पास शब्द नहीं है और इनको कई अवार्ड से जो है सम्मानित किया गया है। इसी के साथ मैं कैमरा पर्सन जो है सुबोध जी के साथ धर्म की खास रिपोर्ट कोलकाता के प्रेस क्लब से। धन्यवाद।
Before today, he has won more than 1,000 awards, but I request him to kindly place this award in the same echelon as the other awards. And thanks for coming to Kolkata because he's of course all for good times. And another one who goes abroad in different times, like a plague to our King Ramesh ji. 164
বলছি আমি তা পরে বলছি না
इधर देखिए इधर 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 बस এদিকে সবাই স্যার ইধর স্যার इधर थैंक यू Adam need to remember sir the apple of wisdom okay Siddhartha ji to
सामने सामने उल्टा हो जाए।
our heritage dharma for spread the knowledge across the globe.
आशीष जी,
I request Rupadatta Chaudhary to kindly
He's not leftist, not rightist, he's always the lifeist, the one who carries forward the legacy of life. Bangalore City Corporation Urban Development Department, BDMP has also felicitated N. Ramesh sir. Vishwarma Universal Soul Award, that's a very to uplift our society. 2017 G was start and in 2017 also fantastic. Prabhu Kempe Gowda, fantastic achievement. 2019 Jeevanadi Rashtriya Prashasti Puraskar. Days ago Vishwa Bharatiya Jeev Jyoti Rashtriya Prashasti Puraskar. Decorating lots and lots of stages including our INCA Little Magazine. Ramesh sir also. Krishnenduda has arrived. Okay, he will be arriving. Puraskar, another very highly accoladed. Sahitya Bhushan, he is of course a poet, a thinker, a novelist, a writer. Nelada Seri Jeevan, short film making, that's his passion, and also he has done some fantastic work in creative field. Considering his contributions in the fields of environmentalism, arts, literature and social work, the government of Karnataka honored him with Karnataka State Youth Award in 1988-1989. Fantastic, sir. It's a fantastic achievement. The Department of Forest, Environment and Zoology has bestowed on him the